Hi guys, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure. Welcome back to Thompson TV, and today I'm going to be showing you around our 2024 Wildax Altair RS. We are built on a MAN chassis. It's 6.84 metres in length, 3.5 tonne, and another thing about this van is that it comes with a lithium leisure battery, a standard, as well as an inverter. So guys, we will start showing you around the outside of the van. We'll start off with the front here. We have our auto daytime running headlights. Alongside that we have our rain sensing wipers. Front parking sensors, we also have rear parking sensors, and we have our 16-inch alloys. As well as this, we have a full-length Thule awning. Into the driver's area of the van. We'll start off, we have our upgraded automatic drive on our 140 brake horsepower engine, multifunctional steering wheel here where you have your cruise control, your speed limiter, your voice recognition for your Bluetooth, and then we're working over here, we have a fully touchscreen infotainment system there, your DAB radio systems, your Bluetooth connectivity, and your built-in sat-nav. So we're into the front lounge area of the van. We're finished in a nice black leather upholstery. We have our table, which is adjustable, your two captain swivel chairs at the front, and then behind me here is our fully electric kitchen. So this can run off the inverter, and that's charged up by your solar panels. So you have your two electric induction hobs, your sink here, plenty of storage. We have a full length Dometic 154 litre fridge, which you can open from both sides from the comfort of your bed as well if needed. So you have your microwave, and a feature I really like of this van is that you don't have to be hooked up to use any of this. So towards the back of the van we have our sleeping arrangements. We have two singles. Of course you have the option to make it into a large double bed there. A nice feature of this as well is that one is equipped to sleep someone up to 6'4", the other one is 6'1". We also have a TV in this van thanks to the TV pack, so that includes your 19-inch Avtex TV as well as your TV area. So in here we have our full wet room where you have your toilet and your shower. Guys, as you can see, we have plenty of storage underneath here, so you're fully equipped for your long trips away. Behind me we have 4 USB points, so we'll have 2 at each side there as well. Thank you for watching. Full details of this van can be seen on our website thompsonleisure.com. If you have any further inquiries or questions, of course get in touch with us. You can get us on 028 9269 3999, or alternatively you can drop me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye.